Hello everyone, welcome to Tubwez 730. We give information about AI's latest technological news. Please stay tuned and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Come, let us connect to the video and start exploring.
Humans are capable of comprehending the intentions, aspirations, and beliefs of others, which is a vital ability that enables us to predict others' behavior. Removing the baguette from the toaster? You will require a dish. Raking debris up? I will reach for the green garbage can. We people naturally possess the ability known as theory of mind, but robots still struggle with it. But in order for robots to be genuinely collaborative helpers in both manufacturing and daily life, they must acquire the same skills. Robots will eventually assist with everything from setting a table to constructing satellites, thanks to computer science researchers' goal of teaching them to anticipate human preferences in assembly tasks. In a new paper, USC Viterbi computer science researchers seek to teach robots how to anticipate human preferences in assembly tasks so they can one day assist with everything from building a satellite to setting a table. The paper is a finalist for the Best Paper Award at the ACM/IEEE International Conference on Human-Robot Interaction, HRI. The main author, Haram Nemlikar, a PhD student in computer science at USC working under the direction of Stefanos Nikolaidis, an associate professor of computer science, stated that when working with people, a robot needs to constantly guess what the person will do next. For instance, if the robot anticipates that the user will need a screwdriver to connect the following component, it can get the screwdriver in advance so the user is not forced to wait. In this manner, the robot can assist in completing the construction much more quickly. However, as anyone who has co-constructed furniture with a partner can testify, it can be challenging to anticipate what a person will do next because different people prefer to build the same product in various ways. While some prefer to begin with the most challenging elements in order to get them out of the way, others might prefer to begin with the simpler elements in order to conserve energy. But in this new study, the researchers discovered parallels between the methods people use to put together various goods. For instance, if you construct an IKEA sofa, you might assemble a baby's cot using the same strategy if you start with the hardest part. Therefore, they developed a small assembly task, known as a canonical task, that people can easily and quickly complete rather than showing the robot their preferences in a complicated task. In this instance, assembling the wings, tail, and engine of a straightforward model airplane. An overhead camera pointed down at the assembly area allowed the robot to watch the human perform the job. The system used April tags, affixed tags similar to QR codes, to identify the components used by humans. The system then employed machine learning to determine a person's choice based on the actions they took when performing the canonical task. According to Nemlikar, the robot predicts what a person will do in the larger assembly based on how that person performs the small assembly. For instance, if the robot observes that a person prefers to begin the simplest part of the small assembly, it will predict that they will do the same with the simplest part of the large assembly. In the user survey conducted by the researchers, their system was able to predict human behavior with an accuracy of about 82%. According to Nemlikar, we hope that our research can make it simpler for people to communicate their preferences to robots. Robots can reduce human work, save human time, and even gain human trust by assisting each individual in their preferred manner. Consider the situation where you are trying to put together a piece of furniture at home, but are having trouble because you are not very skilled. A robot that has been programmed to anticipate your tastes might give you the tools and components you will need in advance, simplifying the assembly process. This technology might also be helpful in workplaces where employees are charged with mass assembling products, saving time and lowering the risk of accidents or injuries. Additionally, it might make it easier for people to put together products and keep independence for those with disabilities or restricted mobility. According to the researchers, the objective is not to supplant workers on the factory floor. Instead, they anticipate that this study will result in significant increases in the productivity and safety of assembly line employees in human-robot hybrid factories. The non-value-added or physically demanding tasks presently carried out by workers can be performed by robots. The researchers intend to create a technique to automatically devise canonical tasks for various assembly task types in their upcoming steps. Additionally, they want to assess the value of anticipating human behavior during a complex job in various settings, such as personal assistance in homes, by learning human preferences from simple tasks. While we found that the preferences of humans in assembly manufacturing transfer from canonical to actual tasks, Nikolaitis predicted that comparable results would be found in other uses. A robot that can quickly learn our preferences can help us prepare a meal, rearrange furniture, or do house repairs, having a significant impact on our daily lives.
Please do like, comment, and subscribe.